How to get into diagnostic mode. You hit 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you're in diagnostic mode. To see if you have any codes, you hit number 3. Welcome to another repair video by All Pro Appliance. We're working on a Whirlpool Duet, and we have a couple of codes on here. The service manual should be underneath the lid. We got the dryer on top. And we've got a F9E1
is a door lock error code. And to confirm, you would see if the washer is locking and unlocking. So to move to the next error code, you press the third button, and we have an F9E1 code, which is a long drain code. In order to confirm this one, we'll put it in diagnostic mode and manually turn on the drain pump to see if you have a long drain or no drain at all. After confirmation, you would take apart the washer and get to the drain pump to clean out the drain pump trap, or I would replace the drain pump itself.
In order to clear the codes, you hold down the third button for 5 seconds. And we're back in diagnostic mode. And press number 2, and it'll go into diagnostic. You got CEOO, and it'll go to CO8. Yeah, different things it's going to do. Like pour the water in. I think that's the heater is turned on for 1 minute. You could advance it by hitting the start button. So C2 is the cold valve. You can see the water coming in. So this is the way, put it in diagnostic mode. See which way you're going to go with it. See in what circuit or what component has failed. Good way to do it. And let the control board give you information.
For whatever reason, it doesn't want to advance. C3 is the pre-wash water valve.
C4 is the hot valve. C5 is the tumbling. What's important here to see if it drains, all the water drains out properly. This is to check several things: the heater, the temperature sensor, the motor, the cold valve. I'm just reading off what's in the service manual. So C7 will be the drain pump. And it sounds good. All the water has to drain out.
The water is draining, but it's taking too long. So I would go ahead and replace the drain pump. The spin is doing good, but I don't think you should have this water coming in at the same time during spin cycle.
So what we're going to do is get out of diagnostic mode. In order to get a diagnostic mode, you hit 3 buttons in order to get in consecutively. So this is number 1. You're going to hold it for 5 seconds and you'll turn on. going with a lock and diagnostic.
Mode has ended. So let's recap. We got a true code that was a F9E1 code, which is a long drain. We confirmed it by putting it into diagnostic mode and seeing that it's taking too long to drain. And once again, in order to fix this, you would have to take off the top panel and the front panel, and the drain pump would be in the front on this particular washer. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.